Welcome to Carticom channel. Like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell down below to keep updated every time we post our latest car troubleshooting guide video. How to check the oil level on your car. The oil level should be checked regularly. Operating with an insufficient amount of oil can damage the engine, and such damage is not covered by warranty. Park the car on a level surface. Then, apply the parking brake. If the engine is cold, start the engine. Let the engine idle until it reaches the engine operating temperature. When the engine reaches its operating temperature, turn the engine off. Wait for at least 10 minutes. This will give enough time for the engine oil to drain back into the oil pan. Open the hood. Locate the dipstick. Dipstick location varies with the car model, so refer to your car owner's manual if you aren't sure where the location of the dipstick is. Remove the dipstick and wipe it clean. Reinsert the dipstick all the way the dipstick tube. Remove the dipstick again and check the oil level. It should be in the normal range. If the oil level is below minimum, add oil in the engine. Remove the engine oil filler cap and pour oil in the engine. Do not overfill. When oil is overfilled, it is stirred in the oil pan and bubbles are generated. Therefore, malfunctions may occur such as bubbles spill over from the oil level gauge. The oil pump cannot suck enough oil, and this causes the engine to seize up. Oxidation of oil is accelerated, and the oil burns and generates white smoke. After adding oil in the engine, recheck the oil level in the dipstick. If the engine oil is within the minimum and maximum level, install the oil filler cap securely. Thank you for watching Carticom channel. Please subscribe and visit www.carticom.com for more car troubleshooting guide.